This Zoom session has been brought to you by Peace Roots Black. Okay, today we go on with rational plus or minus rational, which with the same denominators. Well, it works the same as with adding or subtracting fractions with the same denominators. If A over D and B over D have the same denominator, then we add them by adding the numerators over D. We subtract them by A minus B over D, common denominators. Simple enough. 8 over 3x plus 5 over 3x, we added 8 plus 5 over 3x is 13 over 3x. 3x over x squared minus 9 over x squared minus 9. Well, that's 3x minus 9 over x squared minus 9. But we can go a little further because these both factor. The numerator is 3 times x minus 3. The denominator is a difference of squares, x minus 3 times x plus 3. The x minus 3's cancel out, and we're left with 3 over x plus 3. You have 5x over x minus 3 plus 4x over 3 minus x. Well, this and this are subtractions in the opposite order. And we can write a subtraction in the opposite order as the minus of the other subtraction. The 3 minus x is the opposite of x minus 3. So 4x over 3x minus 3 is negative 4x over x minus 3. These add up to 5x minus 4x over x minus 3, or x over x minus 3. Okay. Here we have 2 over r squared minus 3r minus 10, r over the same denominator. What do they add? Well, they add to 2 plus r over that denominator. Now, r squared minus 3r minus 10 factors r plus 2 times r minus 5, because 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. 2 minus 5 is negative 3, so it factors. And oops, 2 plus r and r plus 2 cancel. It leaves a 1 in the numerator. I mean, nothing's left, but when you're dealing with multiplying and dividing, nothing is the same as 1. I've seen people go from here to go to 0 over r minus 5 equals 0, and that's an automatic loss of a point. All right, here we go. 11w plus 6 over stuff minus 11 over w over the same stuff. Well, okay. 11w plus 6 minus 11w. The 11w's cancel. We're left with 6 over 3w, w minus 9. And the 6 over 3 cancels, leaves a 2. So 2 over w, w minus 9. Okay, here we have 6x squared over 3x plus 2 minus 11x plus 10 over 3x plus 2. All right, common denominator 3x plus 2. Subtract the numerators, 6x squared. You have to subtract both of these, so minus 11x minus 10. Now, okay, AC method after several steps. This factors to 3x plus 2 times 2x minus 5. And the 3x plus 2's cancel, leaving a 2x minus 5. All right. Let's see. Someone's saying something in chat. Never mind. C over c squared minus d over c squared minus d squared. Okay, common denominator c squared minus d squared. Numerator is c minus d. But the denominator is a difference of squares, so it's c minus d times c plus d. So c minus d cancels and left with 1 over c plus d. 17a over 2a plus 4 minus 7a over 2a plus 4. It's over the common denominator 2a plus 4. 17a minus 7a. That's a 10a over 2a plus 4. However, we can pull out a factor of 2 from here, so twice a plus 2. And that'll cancel against the 10 and leave you with 5a over a plus 2. You have negative 4x over 3x squared minus 7x plus 2 minus negative 3x plus 2 over same is what? Okay, well, it's over the same denominator. Minus 4x, minus a negative means it's plus 3x plus 2. This simplifies to negative x plus 2. This factors into 3x minus 1 times x minus 2. These differ by a negative. Minus of x plus 2 is the opposite of x minus 2. That cancels against this x minus 2, and we're left with a negative 1 over 3x minus 1. T over 12, oh, here we have 97a, b, and c. We have t over 12, 5t over 12. We add them, we multiply them, and we divide them. T12 plus 5t12, so it's over 12. T plus 5t in the numerator, that's 6t over 12. 6 cancels, leaves t over 2. T over 12 times 5t over 12, you multiply across. T times 5t is 5t squared. 12 times 12 is 144. 5t squared over 144. T over 12 times 5t over 12. Well, it's the same thing as multiplying by this flipped upside down, 12 over 5t. The 12s cancel, the t's cancel. We're left with 1 over 5. Okay, that concludes this section.